Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in my channel after a huge break. So welcome me back here. I guess we left at $700,000 previous month, but I make some withdrawals and now not the withdrawals, but I made some loss out there. So that's not the case. That's the case isn't the same. So I believe that I need to place. Oh man, wow. I mean, I have invested $80,000 now, just now. Yeah, but that's fine. In order to earn big, you need to invest big. Yeah. In order to earn big, I needed to invest big, and so did I do. So, let's hope that we don't lose everything because by the looks of it, we are about to lose. Yeah, by the looks of it, we are about to lose everything. I don't know, man. I'm not sure that whether we are good enough, that we are good enough to win all that $100,000. But let's see. Let's see if this is the case or yeah, 9, 8, 7, 6, drop, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please. Oh, yeah. We have invested $90,000 and we have won 40 grand in one go. That's fine. That's really fine. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, I have done that and we have placed some trades here, and I guess we should win this 10, 9, 8. Somebody has sent me a chat and Snapchat, but that's fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 29 grand. We are at $140,000. That's quite impressive, isn't it? You betcha know it is. So yeah, we have invested 40 grand again. We have invested 60 grand again. Let's hope that it doesn't drop. Let's hope that it does not drop now. 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, hello. Hey, what the fuck? Man, what's wrong with you? Oh my god. It was doing really great, man. What the actual heck it is? I don't know, man. Man, I'm investing too much. I'm like messed up, man. I really messed my account. I have had everything. I have had everything that should be here to offer, but I never capitalized it. I have lost a lot. Yeah, I did lose a lot. I have lost a lot, and now that it looks fine to me to like $2,000, 3000. Okay, go for 3 times sell. Woman. Ha ha ha. Okay, so we are just about at $3,000, and yeah, 20 more seconds left. I feel like it is gonna be dropping anytime soon. Yeah, it will drop anytime soon. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Disastrous comeback, man. Disastrous comeback. Nobody was expecting that because previously I was really great with the trading thing and all that. But I think it is about American Express, it's not that good enough, so yeah. Okay, fine. So that brings us to the end of this disastrous session. See you guys in next video. Till then, make money, not war. And this is not an investment, guys. This is just for educational purpose. Okay, bye.